In this lesson, we're going to look at how to calculate the equation of tangents. Now, looking at the diagram here, this black line is the tangent, which touches the curve at a point, and only one point. We learned about tangents touching circles in Intermediate 2. And previously we've looked at tangents as well, but just working out the gradient of them. Now we're trying to find the equation. So to find the equation of a straight line, you need the gradient and you need a point of contact. So here's your point, and we can work out the gradient of the tangent using differentiation. Once we've done that, we can use y take b equals mx take a from the straight line topic to work out the equation of the tangent. So let's look at the first example here. Find the equation of the tangent to y equals x squared plus 4x at a point 3, 6. So we have to find the gradient. We've got a point, but we differentiate to find the gradient. So take your y equals x squared plus 4x, differentiate, dy by dx equals 2x plus 4, and sub in your x value to get your gradient. So dy by dx equals 2 times 3 plus 4, a restatement when x equals 3, and that comes out to be 10. We now have our gradient here, and we have our point, and we can use y take b equals mx take a from the straight line topic. So y take away 6 from here equals 10, x take away 3 from there. Multiply this out, and then add the 6 to get your final answer. That's your equation of your tangent. Okay, in the next section we've got find the equation of the tangent to y equals 3 root x at x equals 16. The problem here is we don't have the y value of the coordinate for AB. We have 16 something we know, but it's easy to work out the y value. All you do is substitute x here to get y. This equation says y equals 3 times the root of x. So y equals 3 times the square root of 16, which is 3 times 4, which is 12. So this is in fact 12, 16, 12. I can put that in, just roughly with my mouse. Okay, so that's 16, 12. Now, we've got a point of contact, we just need to find the gradient. So to find the gradient, you differentiate and substitute in your x value. So y equals 3x to the power of a half. We don't leave it as root x to differentiate. Change your roots into powers. Multiply down by a half. 3 times a half is 3 over 2. So dy by dx equals 3 over 2 x. You take away 1 from a half and you get negative a half. We don't substitute in yet. Make sure all your powers are positive and changed into roots before you substitute in. So take your half down the bottom and change it into the square root. So dy by dx equals 3 over 2 root x, and then sub in 16. So 3 over 2 times the square root of 16 becomes 3 over 8. Square root of 16 is 4, and that's 2 times 4 to make 8 in the bottom. It's really important that you change that into this before you substitute in. So once we've got our point and our gradient, it's y take b equals mx take a. So y take away 12 equals 3 over 8, x take away 16. To get rid of the fraction, you multiply both sides by 8. It's the easiest thing to do. Do not multiply the fraction by the values inside the bracket. Multiply both sides by 8, and that gets rid of the fractions from this. So that's going to be 8 times y, 8 times 12, or negative 12, and 8 times 3. Once you've got your 3, you can times your 3 by your x and your 3 by your 16 or your negative 16 to give negative 48. You can do this slower and leave the 3 in front of the bracket, or multiply it all out at once like I've done here. At this point, add the 96 over and you get your final answer.